to you by Emergency Veterinary Service of Iowa City.
And thanks for staying with us. We are taking your questions now for veterinarian Alan Berger, 365-9999. We're going to kick things off today with Lynn, who's on the line with a question. Go ahead, Lynn. Lynn, can you hear us?
Hello?
Go ahead with your question.
Yes, I have a 3-year-old dachshund, and she likes to eat the cat food, and she also likes to get in the litter box, and I was just wondering if it was putting her in any danger or anything.
Danger is minimal. The biggest risk in terms of eating cat poop is they could pass intestinal parasites back and forth, but you should just have your veterinary check for parasites. Cat food definitely tastes better than dog food. It's higher in protein, it's higher in fat. For dogs to eat cat food, as long as they don't get an upset stomach from it, nutritionally it's fine. It tends to be a little more expensive, in part because it's higher quality in terms of protein and fat and all that. But as long as your dog's not gaining weight on it and is not getting an upset stomach, to feed cat food to a dog is okay. Now, to go the other direction is not. Cats tend to require a higher amount of protein and a higher amount of fat. They can't metabolize the carbohydrates, the grains, as well as a dog can. So.
Okay. And before we get to our next caller, we want to introduce you to Penelope. Tell us a little about her.
Penelope's probably about 5 or 6 months old now. She was hit by a car when she was much smaller. She's got some pelvic fractures, which we've healed. And she just needs a home. She was just a cat that was hit by a car that we fixed, and with the plan of finding her a home afterwards.
So cute, and she's sitting really nice on my lap. She'd make a good pet for someone out there.
She's got a lot of energy. She's very fluffy, very soft hair coat, and pretty neat markings, so she'll make a good pet.
And Joe is on the line now with a question. Go ahead, Joe.
Yeah, I was wondering, I have a mama kitty and 5 babies. What can I use to treat the mama for fleas while she's nursing?
There are a few things you can use. Depends on the age of the kittens to some degree also. I'm going to say consult with your veterinarian about it, because there are some things that are better than others. For really young kitties, you want to stay away from the sprays, and less than 4 weeks you want to be pretty careful. Above that it gets a lot easier, so yeah.
All right, well, if you can, give Penelope a good home, and in the meantime, Dr. Berger, thanks so much for being with us today. And stay with TV9. We'll have another look at your forecast after this break.
Wow, Hazel, your pups are getting so big.
I know. At Fly's last appointment with Dr. Berger, she had gained a whole 2 pounds. None of this would have been possible without the help from the reproductive team at Bright Eyes and Bushy Tails. The entire staff there was very knowledgeable and supportive. They fixed Grandpa's knee a couple months ago and helped him with rehab sessions.
I'm overdue for a yearly physical, and I've heard they're always open. I'll make an appointment.
Here's the number, 319-351-4256.
Get a super relaxing mattress at an equally relaxing price. During the Denver Mattress Veterans Day sale, get the Arapaho Eurotop 2-piece queen